Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Robo Advisor trading robot on Revolut. Revolut's Robo Advisor is an automated investment tool that builds and manages a portfolio for you based on your risk profile. Designed for beginners and busy investors, it aims to make investing simple by handling diversification, rebalancing, and long-term growth, all within the Revolut app. Choose your risk level and Revolut builds your portfolio. You can keep your investments aligned with your goals and start investing with a small amount. Everything is managed in one place, which is the Revolut app, and funds are secured under US investor protection schemes. There is also a transparent fee of 0.75% annual management fee with no hidden charges. Now we spoke about the features, let's talk about the cons and drawbacks. It has higher fees than DIY investing with ETFs, limited flexibility which can't transfer portfolios to another broker, risk tier lock-in, which change in risk requires restarting, setup, and mixed performance because some users report lower returns versus S&P 500 ETFs, and also there's reports about withdrawal delays, occasional reports of funds taking longer to cash out. So, the Revolut Robo Advisor is a perfect playing for beginners and hands-off investors who want a simple automated way to invest without much effort. It's safe, convenient, and integrated with Revolut's ecosystem. However, experienced or cost-conscious investors may prefer direct ETF investing for lower fees and greater flexibility. If your priority is simplicity and automation, it's a solid choice. If your goal is maximizing returns at the lowest cost, alternatives may suit you better. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.